What have you do to get your love? Girl, I don't give you all I got, but it's not enough for you. Show you fire me catapult of love. Now I be say I don't be getting enough of you. Yeah, waiting me down, nothing I can't do for my baby, my baby. Anytime when you need me, come to me, my shawty, wallet. Waiting me down, nothing I can't do for my baby, my baby. My shawty, oh, they care. My baby, my baby. Say you there for me, as I there for you. Baby, say you there for me, as I there for you. Yeah, waiting me down, nothing I can't do for my baby, my baby. Anytime when you need me, come to me, my shawty, wallet. Waiting me down, nothing I can't do for my baby, my baby. My shawty, oh, they take. My baby. What you wanna do, girl, where you wanna go? Cause anywhere you go, girl, I go follow, go. Cause I like the way you back it up, the way you go down low. And that's the reason they be hating on you.
Yeah, outfit by me. At Shola Sobowale JME. Yes, Shola Sobowale clothing. Yeah, style by me.
Took me 3 minutes to put this together. I had it in my wardrobe for a while. It was made by Jeff Urban, and so I just thought tonight was a perfect night to wear it, you know?
It was a wonderful experience on set. I'd always look forward to working with people like Jemai and Adesua, Tony, Wellington, Tanamba, Kennedy Bankole, and to Silva, everyone. Dakore, Buson, Konde. It was an awesome experience working, even with the crew. It was an environment where we were allowed to grow. There was no judgment, there was no criticism. It was all positive energy all around. I didn't have any difficulty at all, and thanks to the atmosphere that was provided on set. I'm wearing a double-breasted suit by Koch House, Nonye of Koch House, and I literally just told him about the premiere about 3 days ago or 4 days ago, and he put this together. So all credit and kudos to him, Koch House.
I'm wearing something done by Neo Apparels. I got the invite late, so it took him 24 hours to do this, so that's what it is.
My outfit is a tailor that I love working with. His name is Tyler. 5 minutes to put it together. We don't stress, you know now, we're not girls.
I'm wearing this dress by Mazel Studios. My makeup is by Pro Spotted Makeover. My hair is by Zubi Definition. I was styled by Yolanda Okereke.
So I'm styled by Yolanda Okereke of Rani, and one part of my makeup that I can't do without is just my face. I like to be barefaced most times, so there's actually no time that I have to have some element of makeup on, except the occasion calls for it.
What I'm wearing right here is actually designed by this gentleman here, Bankole Thomas. And he can best tell you about it. Bankole, tell us a bit more about what you've designed here.
Okay, yeah, so this is a mixture of sequins and tweed. And this is a trench coat, stylish one with black shirt.
So I'm styled by Francesca's House of Style. I don't actually have my complete look. I had a blazer and a mask, but I've taken it out. It took us, my guy is very efficient, so maybe like a day or two to put this together. So yeah, shout out to Francesca's House of Style. All right, I'm wearing a tuxedo by my very good friend David Wedge, and it took me about 3-4 hours to put this together, to be fair, because Yolanda Okereke hooked me up real good.
Looking forward to great entertainment and good storytelling and good acting, hopefully. My mask and my dress is by Duke and Duchess. I did my makeup myself. Accessories by me.
I'm really just here to have fun. I mean, there's some amazing people on that project. Adesua, Tommy, Kenny Bankole, you know, and I always know these guys bring their A game, so I'm looking forward to having a great time. So tonight I decided, you know, since we're trying to set people up, you know, I might as well come looking my best. Anyway, so I looked into my wardrobe and I was like, eeny, meeny, miny. No, really, that's not what happened. I called my designer, Amber Bespoke, and he hooked me up. So That's it.
This was made with like my idea and my stylist idea. So this is like a custom made. So like we made this from scratch. This is not like ready-made or boutique or something from somewhere. And I'm looking forward to the story tonight. I'm looking forward to the movie. I'm looking forward to action, thrill. I'm looking forward to having a great time. And I can't wait to watch the movie. I can't wait to see the movie. So keep it locked and keep watching.
Mutunrayo election. I want to marry her. Tunde Elesho, the founder of Daraja Bank. One day at 60, he drops dead of a heart attack. He leaves everything to his children.
What is this place?
A private members club.
Chike is Madam's most skilled operative.
Jesus! Oh, I like this one.
The movie was a setup on its own, yeah? And I fear that the whole of Nigeria will be up for a setup come August 9. And my favorite character was Adesua Itomi. Oh my goodness, she deserves an Oscar already. Niyi Akimolayan, you do it every time. We're proud of the industry, we're proud of Nollywood, we're proud of Niyi, and we're proud of Inkblot. You already know.
I just watched the setup film. I really, really loved it. I think the most unique thing about the film is the story. The story is really good and it's very different, and I'm excited that in Nollywood we're telling these sorts of stories. I loved all the characters. I think that every character complemented the other, and as a team it was fantastic. So I recommend the film. I loved it. Go see it.
I really liked the film. I thought it was a really good film, great acting, really taut thriller, you know. The spaghetti gets unraveled the deeper you go into the film. And for me, the one character that stood out in this film was Tinamba. She was really villainous. She was very cold, very icy. You know, everyone did a great job, but for me, she really did an impressionable performance. So yeah.
I'm actually very impressed because I wasn't sure what to expect, but I think the story blew my mind away. And I love Jamaica. Oh.
Jamaica with the love.
As I look at you, I am reminded of what true love is all about.
Jamaica is the next president of Nigeria because he just naturally oozes of swagger and confidence and personality. Jamaica, if you're watching this, I love you. I just finished watching the movie, The Setup, and it is fantastic. It is really amazing. The attention to detail is out of this world, you know. If I was to choose a favorite character, it would be Mutunrayo, played by Dakori. But I also really liked Chike's character. That's Adesua Itomi's character. It was fantastic, and I'm really looking forward to more films like this coming out of Nollywood.
What are you playing at?
What am I playing at? What are you playing at? We had a plan.
I changed the plans.
I think it's an amazing film. I had a great time. And I think that everybody should go out in the cinemas and see this film once it's out, August 9, I think. It's amazing. It's absolutely worth your time and more.
It's an amazing movie. I think my best character, the person I was most joyful to see on screen was Jamaica. It wasn't about much of what he did, but just who he was, just appearing on screen. Like, he has this vibe. Like, something oozed out from the screen every time he was on it. And I loved it.
One of the cool features of this film that I love the most is the fact that it has a complex plot. I'm a fan of a story that you can never determine or decide or feel it's going to end some type of way. No, this is not that kind of movie. Setup is different. If you want a mind-boggling thing, you want to engage your mind in a beautiful storyline, with a beautiful storyline, Setup is the movie that you need to see. It's totally different.
Yeah, I'm killing them shot. Because I swear God, if I go killing them back. Rah, we go to win them like that. Oh God, make a no be a belly jack.